Students, this is NCERT exercise problem 2.13 from page number 69 of structure of atom, right? So let's read the statement. What is the wavelength of light emitted when the electron in a hydrogen atom undergoes transition from an energy level with n equal to 4 to an energy level with n equal to 2, right? So in this case, it is a hydrogen atom. Okay, so there is an electron who is showing emission spectra, and it is undergoing its transition from n equal to 4 to n equal to 2. That means we are having 4 orbits, and definitely this electron is present in orbit 4 and it is showing emission spectra from n equal to 4 to n equal to 2. That means in this case n1 equal to 4 and n2 it is equal to 2, right? And we have to find the value of wavelength, right? So for this we'll use Rydberg equation, right? So you can write according to Rydberg's equation. So this Rydberg equation is 1 by lambda equal to R 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square, right? So this R is Rydberg's constant, right? So we'll write the values over here. n1, that means orbit 1 from where electron is undergoing transition is 4th orbit, and n2 it is 2 orbit, right? And this R is Rydberg's constant and its value is 109,677 centimeter inverse, right? We'll put the values over here. So 1 by lambda equal to 109,677 centimeter inverse 1 by n1 square, that means 4 square, minus 1 by n2 square, that means 2 square, right? So 1 by lambda equal to 109,677. So 4 square it will be 1 by 16 minus 2 square it will be 4. So 1 by 4, right? So we'll take the LCM and definitely solve this value. So I know that 16 is coming in table of 4. So definitely LCM will be 16. 1 by lambda equal to 109,677 centimeter inverse. Now here I am taking LCM, that is 16, right? So 16 divided by 16, definitely 1. 1 into 1, 1. Minus 16 divided by 4, 4. 4 into 1, 4, right? So 1 by lambda equal to 109,677 centimeter inverse. 1 minus 4, it will be minus 3 by 16, right? So minus 3 into 109,677, it will be minus 329,031. That means 3,29,031 divided by 16. So when you will divide 16 with 3,29,031, it will be definitely 1 by lambda equal to minus 20,564.43 centimeter inverse. Now I'll reverse the value. Lambda equal to 1 by 20,564.43, right? And I'll have a minus sign with this, and this centimeter inverse will be centimeter over here, right? So now I'll take this value 20,564.43 in terms of scientific notation. So what I'll do, I'll simply displace this decimal up to 4 digit, right? Because there should be only one non-zero digit on the left side of the decimal. So lambda will be minus 1 by 2.0. Now I just want to round off this value, right? So to round off this value up to 5, what I'll see the next digit of this 5, right? It is 6, that is more than 5. So definitely I'll increase 5 by 1. So it will be 2.06 into, now I am displacing decimal up to 4 digits. So power will be 10 raised to power 4, and I am having centimeter with this, right? So this 10 raised to power 4, when I'll take in numerator, it will be 10 raised to power minus 4. So 1 into 10 raised to power minus 4 divided by 2.06, right? So when you'll divide 1 by 2.06, your answer will be lambda equal to minus 0.485 into 10 raised to power minus 4 centimeter. I want to convert this centimeter in nanometers. So in 1 nanometer, we have 10 raised to power minus 7 centimeter, right? So for this, what I'll do, I'll simply displace this decimal up to 3 digit, right? So decimal is displacing from left to right. For this, what I'll do, I'll simply take the power in negative terms, right? So the decimal is displaced up to 3 digit. So the power will be 10 raised to power minus 3 into 10 raised to power minus 4 centimeter, right? So these two powers are in multiplication. So you can simply add them. Minus 485 into 10 raised to power minus 3 minus 4 centimeter. Minus 3 minus 4, that will be minus 7. So minus 485 into 10 raised to power minus 7 centimeter. I know that 1 nanometer equal to 10 raised to power minus 7 centimeter. So lambda will be minus 485 nanometer. Now the main concern is this negative sign. If you are having negative sign with wavelength, it means this electron is showing emission spectra, right? You can write over here, negative sign indicates that it is emission spectrum, which means electron is emitting radiation to come back to the ground state, to come back to the ground state.